Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do a Spinal Tap case, a project called Spinal Tap case. This is a lot of regular expression stuff. We want to convert a string to Spinal case. Spinal case is all lowercase words joined by dashes. So they spell that out as you see it there. The first thing we want to do is deal with converting camel case to snake case. So that means where this is camel case here, what we want to do is place a space in between here. And then once there's a space, it'll be easy to convert a space to a dash. So first thing we want to go is we'll create a new string and we'll call this one camel case handled. And then in order to handle the camel case, we're going to take the string and we're going to replace inside of there, we're going to create a regular expression, and then we're going to have what we replace it with. And the regular expression is going to replace, we're going to have first we're going to create a group. We're going to create two groups. And inside the first one is where we see in the string a lowercase z, a lowercase letter from A to Z, and then an uppercase letter from A to Z. So this is just going to select all the situations in which you've got a lowercase letter here and then an uppercase letter here. And then what we want to do is replace that. So we're going to use money1 and money2. This is going to be, and we want to do this globally so that it iterates through the entire string. And then we're going to want to return the camel case handled. And then I want to set this to result and then console log the result. Okay, so right now nothing is happening. That means something's not right. Oh, okay. So right now this is the group 1, and then this is group 2. So I needed to add a space in here. I'm gonna pull this out just so it's a little bit easier to read. And so yeah, this is where. So I'm replacing the A through Z. We're grouping where we find a lowercase letter right next to an uppercase letter, and then we're setting that to the group. And then in this replace function, you can say money1 says the group and money2 says the second group. So we're able to select these and then we're able to adjust them. Let's say we wanted to put an exclamation point in between them. Then we would have an exclamation point in between each of these points. And so now we have our camel cased string spaced out this way. And then it's we can handle the dashes. And so we can say, now we can say spaces and dashes handled. And we can set that equal to the camel case handled, which is the string that we're working with now. And we can say dot replace. And then we want to create another regular expression that's globally. And then we want to replace these with a dash. And then for these, the space is 1. Now that we've got this one working, we can throw it into the return statement. And then we also want to handle, I think, an underscore. The underscore would be an example, the Andy Griffith Show, this one. Cool. And now we're handling that. And now all we have to do is make everything to lowercase. Cool, and now you can see it passes the tests. So yeah, first off, I'm just going to throw these in here. We handle the camel case, and the dashes still aren't unhandled. So then we handle the spaces and dashes, and that's where we get this. And then we return that result. Yeah, if you run the test, they pass. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.